by 2, 0 to pi by 2 plus cos pi by 2 minus x into dx. Okay, so this is equal to how much? This is by property fourth again, by property fourth, by property fourth. Okay, so this is equal to how much? 0 to pi by 2. It is cos square x upon, this is cos x plus sin x. This is cos x plus sin x. Again the same thing, since sin pi by 2 minus x equal to cos x and cos pi by 2 minus x equal to sin x. This we have used here. This is equation number second equation. This is equation second. I equal to adding first and second. Again adding first and second. Adding first and second. We get here, this is twice I left hand side equal to 0 to pi by 2 with sin square x first one plus this is cos square x in the numerator, because denominator is the same value, sin x plus cos x. LCM is sin x plus cos x only. Sin x plus cos x, this is also sin x plus cos x. Cos x plus sin x or sin x plus cos x, same thing. In the numerator we have got that into dx. This is equal to 0 to pi by 2. Okay, this is 1 here. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. It's nothing but 1 upon sin x plus cos x into dx. Since sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 by trigonometry. In place of this numerator, sin square x plus cos square x equal to 1. I substitute here 1. Now let me solve it above. Twice I we are calculating. Therefore, 2I is equal to, or 2I is equal to this value. This is, let me first write it down, 0 to pi by 2. This is 1 upon sin x plus cos x into dx. Okay, so what do we get here? Okay, so this we obtain here. Now let me multiply this by 1 upon root 2. So this is 1 upon root 2 here and 1 upon root 2. This is 1 upon root 2, 0 to pi by 2. This is dx upon, here it is 1 upon root 2 into sin x plus 1 upon root 2 into cos x. Okay, this is equal to what I've done. I multiplied the numerator by 1 upon root 2 and in the numerator also. Denominator is multiplied by 1 upon root 2. The numerator is also multiplied by 1 upon root 2. This is 1 upon root 2 and this is root 2 cancel out. So no problem. No change sign. This is 1 upon root 2 in the numerator, this value. This is 0 to pi by 2 dx upon, now what about this? Let me take this as sin pi by, this is sin x into sin pi by 4, because 1 upon root 2 is sin pi by 4 plus cos x into cos pi by 4, sorry. Okay, so it can be written as 1 upon root 2 0 to pi by 2 dx upon, this is nothing but cos A cos B plus sin A sin B is cos x minus pi by 4. Cos A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. If it is minus sign, then it is plus and plus sign. If it is plus sign, then cos A cos x cos pi by 4 minus sin x sin pi by 4. If it is positive, then negative positive. Here it was positive sign, minus sign here. Okay. Now what is this? Can be taken the numerator. This is nothing but 1 upon root 2. Okay, so we are calculating here twice I is equal. This twice I is equal to, we are calculating 1 upon root 2, this is 0 to pi by 2, it is secant x minus pi by 4 dx. For the integration of secant, it is log secant x plus tan x. So it will be 1 upon root log of secant x minus pi upon 4 plus tan x minus pi upon 4. Okay, now limits apply 0 to pi upon 2. Okay, now let me apply the limits. So here, let me solve it. We are solving it 2i equal to, this 2i equal to 1 upon root 2. First apply the upper limit, which will be log of secant. Now this is pi by 2 minus pi by 4. So this is pi by 2. What will be? Pi by 4 only. So positive secant pi by 4. Pi by 2 minus pi by 4. 4 LCM. 2 pi minus pi upon 4. That means pi upon 4. Plus 10. This is also pi upon 4. This is the upper limit. Now minus sign in between. It is log secant. Now this is minus pi upon 4. Why? Because x is 0. It will be minus pi upon 4. Plus sign, it is 10 minus pi upon 4. Minus pi upon 4. Okay, so this is equal to 1 upon root 2. Sec pi by 4 is root 2. You know that. The log of root 2 plus 1 for 10 pi 4 is 1. 10 45 degree is 1. So it is a root 2 plus 2. So this is a minus sign. Now log of, now secant minus theta is positive sec theta. That means sec minus pi 4 is, still it is under root 2 only, sec under root, sorry, root 2 only. It is positive only, because sec minus theta is positive sec theta, it is root 2 only. But it is negative, because 10 minus theta is minus 10 theta, is minus 1 here. What do we get here? 1 upon root 2, it is nothing but log of root 2 plus 1 upon root 2 minus 1. This value is there. So let me further solve it. So what will it give us? If I make it perfect scale, I multiply this by, sorry, rationalizing this. Rationalizing the denominator, 1 upon root 2 log of whole square of this, it will be root 2 plus 1 whole square. If I multiply numerator and denominator by root 2 plus 1, it will be 2 minus 1 only. Why it is so? Because 2 minus 1, this is a minus b, a plus b. Root 2 plus 1 multiplying by root 2 plus 1 numerator and denominator. Here will be twice of this. Okay, so this is log of this value, but this is 1 here, the denominator. We get this 1, log 1 is 0, so negative value will be 0. But it is nothing but 1 upon root 2. 2 will come before. It is twice into log of root 2 plus 1 only. With minus sign, it will be log 1 0. Minus log 1 and 1 upon root 2, which is 0. 1 upon root 2, 2 upon root 2. So this is log of root 2 plus 1. Okay, so it will be, the denominator we are getting 2 minus 1, because it is 1 only. Okay, if I make it perfect square, that can also be done. Let me make that perfect, the whole square. Let me open it and open the whole square of this. That can be opened. So let me do that. What it will be? It will be, if I, okay, and that will be 1 upon root 2. That will not come, no problem. Let me make it perfect square. So Let me do it the other way. Whole square, opening the whole square of this be root 2 plus 1 upon root 2 minus 1 log of m minus log n. That means log m upon log n. Okay, so that value be sorry, root 2 plus 1. I think this is log of root 2 plus 1. It is coming. It is root 2. This 1 is not separated, but it is under the log. This must be like this. Root 2 plus 1, because that is coming here. This is only 2 upon, so this power will come before. This is log of root 2 plus 1. If I divide by 2, therefore I is equal to 2 will come in the denominator, so 2 upon 2 cancel out. Log of root 2 plus 1 only. This is 1 upon root 2 log of root 2 plus 1 in the angle of log. Okay, it's in the log of this value here. It's not plus 1 is not separated. Where it is? Fifth question. This is like this. Root 2 plus 1. Okay, 1 is not separated. This is coming with that. Alright, so this question is here. This 2 power will come before. So 2 upon root 2. But 2, if we divide 2, cancel out 1 upon root 2 is there. 1 upon root 2 log. This is the answer here. Right hand side. This is the right hand side. And it's 2. This is question number 6 one. Okay. Question number 5 we have done. Let me talk about question number 6 now. What is question 6 saying? Now question number 6. Let me talk about question number 6 is okay, this is 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2, this is cos square x dx divided by it is sin x plus cos x, okay, into dx we are taking, okay, no problem. So again this we have to solve. Now this is of the same type question, because if I take it as first equation number 1, okay, so we have to solve, find out value of this, it will be the same answer. Region is y. Let me solve it by the same method, taking this I. So therefore 0 to that I equal to, we are solving 0 to pi by 2, this is cos pi by 2 minus x whole square dx divided by sin pi by 2 minus x plus cos pi by 2 minus x is pi by 2, okay, dx by property 4. By property 4, this we apply. This is equal to 0 to pi by 2. It is sin square x. Why? Because cos pi by 2 minus x sin x. Which square is there, so sin square x. Thirdly, this is cos x plus sin x, or sin x plus cos x. Same thing we can write. Okay, into dx, this second equation. Again adding first and second. Adding first and second, this is I equal to. So adding first and second, same thing. Adding first and second, we get, what do we get here? Twice I equal to, again LCM is same, 0 to pi by 2. Denominator is the same, sin x plus cos x. So denominator will be sin square x plus cos square x into dx. This is 0 to pi by 2. 1 upon, this is nothing but sin x plus cos x into dx. This is the same value. We have to multiply by 1 upon root 2 and 1 upon root 2 and same thing. This is equal to same answer, 1 upon root 2 log of root 2 plus 1. Okay, from first equation, from fifth. Okay, the same answer. Same as in equation number, in question number first, the fifth one. In question fifth. Okay, same answer, 1 upon root 2 log root 2 plus 1. Because this is the same now. 1 upon we have to multiply by 1.2 and divide by 1.2, 1.2. It will be again cos x minus pi by 4. That will take into second pi minus, sorry, x minus pi by 4. It will be integrated log of secant x plus tan x. Okay, so then we substitute the limits pi by 2 first and that. Okay, so this is the same question as fifth one. Now let me talk about seventh question. Now question number 7, what does it say? Question number 7, let me talk about. So question number 7 now, let me discuss about question number 7, sine of integration. It is 0 to pi by 2. Okay, under root it is tan x divided by 1 plus under root tan x into dx. Now if I change into sine and cos, then what it will be? It will be equal to 0 to pi by 4 pi by 2. It is sine x upon cos x. It will be under root sine x upon under root cos x tan x means. Divided by this will be sine x upon cos x again. Here it will be under root cos x plus under root sine x divided by under root cos x LCM and log into dx. The same function as 0 to pi by 2. This is under root sine x upon under root sine x. Let me try it first. It is sine x plus under root cos x. Now this is the same question as question number 4. Okay, so please now go through. Taking it as first equation. So I is equal to, let I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 under root sine x upon under root sine x plus under root cos x into dx. Okay, now applying the limits here. Under root sine x, again this is equal to, let me take first equation. Now this will be equal to 0 to pi by 2. As first one we have done sine pi by 2 minus x divided by under root sine pi by 2 minus x plus under root cos pi by 2 minus x. Okay, this is by property 4th. Same a minus x, 0 to a, it is sine a minus x, sine a minus x, cos a minus a in here pi by 2. This is property number 4. What do we get here? 0 to pi by 2. It is now cos under root cos x. Remember this is again under root sine x, cos x. We write first under root sine x plus under root cos x into dx. So adding first, this is second equation. Let me write it as second equation. This is second equation. Adding first and second. Adding first and second. We get, what do we get here? This is I plus I. This is the first one. Which one first one? This is the first one, this is second one. First I, this is also I equal to, this is twice I equal to, therefore 0 to pi by 2. Okay, the same thing upon same thing, because under root sin x plus under root cos x upon under root sin x plus under root cos x. LCM is the same, under root sin x plus under root cos x under root sin x plus under root cos x dx. This is equal to 0 to pi by 2 1x into dx only. That means pi by 2. Applying the limits, this is x integration. Let me write here, integration is x, limits are 0 to pi by 2. It is nothing but pi upon 2. It means I equal to pi by 4. Finally, answer is I is equal to pi by 4. That means this answer is equal to pi by 4. This is the answer here. Finally, question number 7 we have done. Question number 7. Question number 7 here. Okay, so question 7 is done now. Let me talk about 8th question. Now question number 8. What is question number 8 here? Okay, question number 8 is 0 to pi by 2. Question number 8, 0 to pi by 2. It is dx upon 1 plus under root 10x. Okay. Now if I again change it into sin x cos x, it will be that I is equal to, we are solving it 0 to pi by 2, or let I equal to this. Let I is equal to this whole value. Dx, sorry, this is dx upon, here it will be under root sin x upon under root cos x, under root cos x LCM. It will be under root cos x plus under root sin x, and under root cos x will come in the numerator. Why? Because under root sin x upon cos x, this is the same value 0 to pi by 2 under root cos x upon under root sin x plus under root cos x dx. This is equation number 1. Okay. Now let me apply or I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 under root, this is cos pi by 2 minus x divided by under root sin pi by 2 minus x plus under root cos pi by 2 minus x into dx. Okay, this is dx. Writing this is second equation. I'm writing first and second. Adding first and second. We get adding first and second. Adding this first one, and second we get the same thing upon same thing. Here it is twice I on the left hand side equal to 0 to pi by 2. It is under root sin x plus under root cos x upon under root sin x plus under root cos x. Same thing upon same thing in 1. It is nothing but 0 to pi by 2. 1 into dx. That means x integration is 1 integration is x 0 to pi by 2. So nothing but pi by 2. Therefore I is equal to pi upon 4 answer. Question number 8 is also having the same answer, 4, pi by 4. Okay, so question number 8 we have done. Let me talk about 9th question. Now what is question number 9 say? Let me check it out. Let me further clean it. Let me clearly clean it clearly. It will be clear to just see. Black and white marker. Okay. Now let me take question number. Okay, 8th we have done. Now 9th one. Question number 9 here, 0 to pi by 2. Okay, into dx upon, this is 1 plus tan x. Okay, this is, let me change it, sin x cos x. So it will be sin x upon cos x LCM. So cos x will come in the numerator. Upon it is sin x plus cos x into dx. Now this is type Equation number 1, let me take. This is just type of which question? Okay, not yet come. You just type this one, fourth question, sorry, third question type, but it's still cos x was not there in the numerator. Okay, now let me take that I equal to this. This is I equal to, or I is equal to, we are solving it 0 to pi by 2. Is 0 to pi by 2. It is cos x upon sin x plus cos x. Here, this is first equation. Or I is equal to, this is we have let. Now, or I is equal to here. Now applying the fourth property. It is cos pi by 2 minus x divided by sin pi by 2 minus x plus cos pi by 2 minus x into dx. This is equal to, this is by property fourth. By property fourth here. Okay, so this is nothing but 0 to pi by 2. It is sin x upon, this is cos x plus sin x into dx. This is second equation. Now adding first and second, adding first and second, we get twice I is equal to, left hand side twice I plus I, twice I is equal to, again 0 to pi by 2. LCM is same here, sin x plus cos x, sin x plus cos x. So in the numerator also we will get the same thing. It is sin x plus cos x in the numerator also into dx. This is 1 here, 0 to pi by 2, 1 into dx. It means x integration of 1, 0 to pi by 2 is equal to pi by, therefore I is equal to, the final value, I means this value, is equal to pi upon 4. This is the answer here. Question number 9 is also having the same answer, pi by 4. Okay, now let me talk about next question. Question number now 10th. Question number 10th here. 0 to pi by 2. Okay. It is 0 to pi by 2 again. It is dx upon 1 plus cot x. Now let me change it again. Sin x cos x. Wherever any trigonometric ratio function is given, like 10x, cot x, secant x, convert them into sin and cos. That will give you the easiest solution. Okay, so solution will then be easier. It is dx upon, here will be cos x upon sin x. It will be sin x plus cos x. It will be sin x in the numerator. Because the LCM of the denominator will be sin x, because cot is cos x upon sin x. Sin x will come here, this sin x will come in the numerator then. So let I therefore is equal to this 0 to pi by 2, it is sin x dx upon sin x plus cos x. Okay, this is first equation. Or I is equal to 0 to pi by 2. This is sin pi by 2 minus x into dx upon sin pi by 2 minus x plus cos pi by 2 minus x. Okay, this is by property fourth. By property fourth. Because 0 to a fx dx equal to 0 to a f a minus x dx. That is property number 4, which we always discuss here. This is therefore equal to 0 to pi by 2. This is cos x. Cos sin pi by 2 minus x is cos x, which I have already described number of times. So this is sine 90 minus theta cos theta, cos sine 91 theta cos theta, this is cos 91 theta sin theta. So in the same way, we have obtained this is cos x plus this is sin x into dx. This is second equation. I is equal. Now adding first and second. Adding first and second, we get here, what do we get? It twice I is equal to 0 to pi by 2. It will be the same thing in the numerator because sin x plus cos x, if we take LCM, it is sin x plus cos x LCM into dx. This will be equal to 0 to pi by 2 into 1 into dx means dx only. This is xl integration. One integration is x 0 to pi by 2 equal to pi by 2. Therefore, I is equal to this twice I equal to pi by 2. Therefore, I is equal to pi upon 4 divided by 2. Pi upon 2 into 1.2 pi upon 4. This is answer here. Question number 10th we have done. So this is a similar type of question here. Okay. Now let me take the next question. This is the 11th one. What is question number 11 say? Let me check it. For question number 11, let us talk about. It is 0 to, sorry, show that 11th question. 0 to a is a dx upon x plus under root a square minus x square into dx equal to pi by 4. This we have to prove to show that this is equal to pi by 4. Same value which we are still calculating in the 8th question was pi by 4 answer. The 7th also pi by 4 answer. 6th also they were pi, no, not in 6th one. 5th and 6th were having different answer. But in the 4th one question answer, 3rd question, 4th question were having the same answer pi by 4. But in the 3rd question answer is pi by 4. Okay, so in that way the same way. Here we have assumed putting x equal to a sin theta that we take. Therefore, differentiating it with respect to theta, we get